Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see one more previous year question on incomplete records, May 2023, question number 3B for 10 marks. This chapter was in the intermediate paper, so we will be getting the previous year question also from there only. So Mr. Takewood keeps his books on single entry system, and they have given the balance sheet as on 1 April 2022. So we got all the opening balances. During the year 22-23, creditors were paid 26,000 by cash and 1,55,000 by check. Received 55,000 in cash and 1,90,000 by check from debtors. All sales and purchases were in credit. Balances as on 31st March, they have given the closing balance of debtor and creditors. But there is no closing balance of cash or bank. So we have to prepare cash account, bank account, debtor account and creditor account. As for now, we have to prepare 4 ledgers. Let us go into the question further. All expenses were debited to P&L account except petty expenses amounting to rupees 7,500 in cash. See here, all expenses. We do not know what were the expenses. So we have to find out the expenses also. Let us see how to do it. Outstanding expenses 2,000. And they have given the net profit. After allowing depreciation on fixed assets. Closing stock is also given. The drawings also given. So as of now, we have to prepare because they have asked us, you are required to prepare profit and loss account and the balance sheet. So you need to prepare trading account also in your working note. So as of now, we have to prepare cash account, bank account, sundry debtor account, creditor account, and we have to prepare the trading account also. Let us go into that. What I am going to do, I have already posted the opening balance. See here, the first balance is capital. I have put the capital as 95,000. The next one is sundry creditors opening balance. I have opened the sundry creditors account with the opening balance of 15,000. Okay. Next one is cash in hand. I have opened the cash account with 4,000 and bank account with 28,000 and debtor account also I have put the opening balance as well as they have given the closing balance for debtor and creditor. So I have posted that also. Okay. Now up to this we have already posted stock account. I have put opening stock in the trading account. In the working note of trading account, I have put the opening stock also. And closing stock was given 75,000. So that also I have posted. Now we are moving on with this. Creditors were paid 26,000 by cash and 1,55,000 by check. So let us go to the cash account. Cash account, creditors were paid by creditors. They were paid, the amount given was 26,000. They were paid cash 26,000 and through check they have been paid 1,55,000. So I am posting it in the bank account also. By creditors 1,55,000. So these should go to your creditors account also. So creditors account, we will be here. We have posted on the credit side. Here it will go to cash account. We have paid 26,000 in cash, and through bank we paid the creditors 1 lakh 55. So we have made the double aspect of this transaction. So moving on the next one, let me see the question. Next one is received 55,000 in cash and 1,90,000 by check from sundry debtors. So let us go to the cash account. So we have received from the debtors 55,000 in cash. Debtors. We have received 55,000 in cash, and through check we have received 1,90,000. So the amount received is to debtors 1,90,000. So we have received the next information is posted here, and this should go to our debtor account also. So in debtor account, they have to be credited. They have paid us by cash 55,000 and by bank 1,80,000. There is no discount allowed or return anything. So we can close this item. So the total comes to 2,72,000. So I am closing the debtor account 2,72,000. The balancing figure will be our credit sales, because they have told that all the sales were made on credit basis and all the purchases were made on credit basis. The balancing figure will be 2,49,000. This is our credit sales. Okay. So what I am going to do, this sales has to go to my trading account. 2,49,000. Okay. Likewise, now we will be closing our creditors account also. 26,000, 1,55,000 and 35,000. The total comes to 2,16,000. Hope you are understanding. So we are going to do this. There is no discount received or any purchases return anything, and all the purchases were made on credit basis. So purchases account, this will be credit purchases. This will be our balancing figure. This is 2,01,000. So we can go to the trading account. There is no cash purchases. So we can very well write it here, 2,01,000. See here now our trading account, we can close it. So the total of 2,49,000 plus 75,000 comes to 3,24,000. So we have to take this balance this side. The balancing figure will be our gross profit to gross profit. Carried it down. Our balancing figure, that is comes as 88,000. So this is all our working note starts from here. You can number them each and everything. So now we are taking this to here by gross profit brought down 88,000. Okay, so now let us see the question. So now we have posted the first point, and then all sales and purchases were made on credit, and balances I have taken. All expenses were debited. We do not know what are the expenses. Only when we finish the P&L account, we will be able to do it. Petty expenses 7,500 in cash. So let me put that petty expenses into my P&L account. Petty expenses 7,500, and they have given me the net profit also after consideration of transfer to capital account. This figure is given in the question 41,000. Only with this I'll be able to find out that. Now I have to post this petty expenses, because for what is the journal entry? Petty expenses account debit to cash account. So this is paid in cash. So I have to post this petty expenses into my cash account by petty expenses 7,500. Okay. And the question also says that withdraws 10,000 in cash and 14,000 by check. So let me put that 14,000 by check, by drawings 14,000 by check. Hope you people are able to make it out. Now the cash we have already entered. So now we can go to that P&L account. So they have asked us to depreciate the fixed assets 10 percentage. Depreciation on fixed assets 10 percentage on 20,000, that comes to 2,000. Okay, and there is one more, outstanding expenses. That should also be considered here. Two outstanding expenses. They say that is one outstanding expenses. It is yet to pay, payable. This item will go to depreciation, will go to our balance sheet. This outstanding expenses will go to our current balance sheet on the liability side. Now see here, this side the total is 88,000, and this side the total is 41 plus 4, 45 plus 7, 52,500 minus 88,000 is my expenses during the year. Because we were not having expenses, this expenses will be the balancing figure 35,500. So now we will be able to close our bank account. This will go to our bank account by expenses 35,500. This is the figure brought from your P&L account. Okay. Now the total of the debit side is 2,18,000 and bring this to lakh 18,000 because we do not know the closing balance of bank account also, which is not given. The balance carried down is our balancing figure that comes to 13,500. 14 plus 14, 28, 5, 33, 30, 63, 68, 1 lakh 68 plus 50, 1 lakh 68 plus 50 makes to 2 lakh 18,000. So this balance CD will go to our balance sheet. Already prepared the balance sheet. So 13,500 will go to this balance sheet. Other figures were already given, which I have posted it. Now let us close the cash account also. Okay, so this side it is 59,000. 59,000 I'm bringing here. So 26 plus 10, 36 plus 7, 43,500. 59,000 minus 43,500 gives us 15,500. This is the closing balance of cash. My balance CD. This will be our balancing figure. This is 13,500. This should go to the current balance sheet. Sorry, 15. Sorry, 15,500. So this will be going here as 15,500. Okay. So see here now, our P&L account is closed. Now we have to transfer that net profit 41,000. I brought it here already. The opening balance was given. So the total comes to 1,36,000. Drawing, he made 10,000 in cash and 14,000 by check, 24,000. So the net figure comes to 1,12,000. Sundry creditors balance was already given. Outstanding expenses I have taken. This comes to a total of 1,49,000. So here we have found out that closing balance of cash and bank 13 plus 15 28 29,000 plus 75,000 plus 27,000 was already given, and this fixed asset after depreciation it is 18,000, so the total comes to 1,49,000. Our balance sheet matches here. Okay, so you have to prepare like this. The trading account we have finished it, and then the note number 2 is our cash account, and we have finished our cash account also, and our working note number 3 is our bank account, and the note number for total debtors account is 4, and the total creditors account is 5. All the accounts were closed and the balance sheet matches. Hope you understand this problem. I have seen that much of the people who have not subscribed or watching my channel, please subscribe my channel and leave your comments, which will motivate us to give more and more problems you may be able to understand and be interested in. So thank you for watching my channel, and do not forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.